Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a game changer for those of you who are looking to maintain a low-carb, sugar-free diet while still enjoying delicious and nutritious foods. We're going to explore the top 5 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Let's jump right in. 1. Avocado. Our first superstar food is the avocado. Avocados are a true gift from nature. Not only are they low in carbs and sugar, but they are also packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These healthy fats can help keep you full and satisfied for longer periods. You can enjoy avocados sliced on their own, as guacamole, or even in smoothies. They're incredibly versatile and make a fantastic addition to your low-carb, sugar-free diet. 2. Leafy greens. Next up, we have leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and arugula are not only super low in carbs and sugar but are also rich in essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamins A and K. You can use these greens as a base for salads, throw them into soups, or even blend them into your morning smoothie. They're an excellent way to stay healthy and maintain your low-carb lifestyle. 3. Salmon. Moving on to our protein source, we have salmon. Salmon is a fantastic choice for those looking to avoid carbs and sugar while enjoying a protein-packed meal. Salmon is not only a great source of protein but also loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids. It's incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways to suit your taste buds. 4. Nuts and seeds. Now, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are among the top picks for a low-carb, sugar-free diet. These snacks are not only delicious but also provide a good dose of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Just remember to consume them in moderation as they are calorie-dense. 5. Berries. Lastly, for those with a sweet tooth, we have berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are relatively low in carbs and sugar compared to other fruits. Berries are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They make for a fantastic addition to your breakfast or dessert options. There you have it, folks. The top 5 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain a balanced, nutritious, and delicious lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.